Hello, up on the windy hill here in June, checking on the gray cemetery. Junior Spade talked to me. He fenced this whole area in. That was very nice of him, so the cows can't get in and topple the tombstones anymore. Not many graves in here. From family history, most of them were paupers and couldn't afford stones. Isabella's grave right here broke again. I guess the cattle got to it before he put a fence up. I fixed it years ago, so I'll have to fix it again. Jacob D is right beside of her. His stone is still upright. There's a sunken grave right there. Sarah and I are pretty sure that's Clarinda because she was buried up here on the hill with Jacob. And I took my shovel there. I didn't touch his remains or anything. That would be so, whatever the word is, but I just dug up there where the headstone would be. I couldn't find any stone, but the grave is sunken right there, so I'm pretty sure that is Joseph. Of course, back then there wasn't any grave records or anything. Back in those days, a lot of stuff wasn't recorded, etc., and they may never have gotten around to putting a stone up. Isabella's and Jacob's both have the stone, and they have the base. You can see the base right here, and Isabella's the same way. Her stone is broken, but it's got a base underneath. The sunken grave there does not, and then the sunken grave there does not, and I guess no one just got a stone put up. So that's a tour. I did a drone video of overhead, so I thought I'd come up and check on these.